spotted a vase I really liked on the CB2 website. This is what it looked like. So when I found this one at Goodwill for just $2.09, I had to grab it. I think it'll look so cute in the bathroom. Something that makes you smile every time you walk in. I gave it a good clean, inside and out. I removed the rope around the neck to make it look more modern, like the CB2 vase, before painting it. I'll use a primer that sticks to glass, and then a metallic brass spray paint. I just wanted to paint the neck of the vase, so I taped it off with masking tape to mark the spot and covered up the rest. To get a nice clean line between the painted and unpainted areas, you really have to press down the masking tape carefully. I also covered the bottom and sealed off the top so the paint wouldn't get inside. I actually enjoy taking my time with projects like this. It's fun, and there's something exciting about wondering how it's going to turn out. I'll be using a primer that sticks well to glass, and then finishing it with a metallic brass spray paint. Now it's time to paint! I went with a black primer that sticks well to glass. At first, I was planning to use a white primer, but after asking ChatGPT, I learned something interesting. With a white primer, the brass turns out brighter and more yellow, while with a black primer, the color comes out deeper and richer, more of a high-end tone. So I decided to go with black primer. Let's check it out and see how it turns out. After it dried, I painted it with metallic brass. With just one coat, the black primer was still showing through. I'm still new to spray painting, so a few spots got a bit heavy and dripped. But hey, practice makes perfect, right? I went ahead and added a second coat. I peeled off the masking tape and removed all the covers, and I'm loving how the color turned out. Now it's time to add some water and plants. I grabbed a lucky bamboo from Pike and set it up in the vase to decorate the bathroom. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I keep sneaking into the bathroom just to check it out, and having real plants in there makes it feel even better. Since I have twin boys, I added their little lizard toys on top. They're gonna get such a kick out of it when they come home from school. Thanks so much for watching all the way through. Give this a try yourself, and I'll see you in the next project.